My name is Saurabh. I am from Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. I have been placed in Radix Electrosystems. I have done my bachelor's in computer engineering from Amrutwani College of Engineering. I am a 2023 pass out. I was a fresher. I don't have any previous experience. I have done my bachelor's degree. What happened in while doing engineering, they do not give deep understanding of any subjects. Like every semester the subject changes, so you only get the only basic idea. You don't have the deep understanding of the concepts. If and they also don't teach, like if anyone is interested in cloud or in AI, they don't teach everything about it. They only give the basic idea and they move on. Okay, one of my friend in college was like uh, he studied in lockdown and he got into some organization for the internship where he meet with a few cryo students. So he got into contact of them. Then after what happened after my uh, completing the degree, I was searching for a course to enhance the skills. So I told him I am looking for something which will help me in getting the better understanding of the web development. So he told me to check out Cryo. It's better. In colleges, I learn about the C, C++, and only DSA. No one told me about there is something called web development, full stack development. You can develop applications through React. When I ended up the degree, at the end, I was searching to do something creative. I already like creating new things. Therefore, I thought of front-end development. My key learning was like I have never built independent projects in my colleges. So when I joined Cryo, I started building the independent projects. I came to know how the how the working in organization works on the projects. Like there is a front end part, there is back end part. Then how it starts, like the first we decide what we have to develop, like overall structure of the project. I learn like how to build in Cryo. Cryo has many good mentors, like from starting only, from basics. Like first there was someone who taught JavaScript. She was a good instructor. After that, when I started React, there was a mentor called Ajo John. He was really a good mentor. Like I have never seen someone teaching so passionately. Like the concepts he taught was so good that like after joining the sessions, it was very much interesting the way he taught the React from scratch. There was no concept that I did not understand. He took the every single concept in the React so better that I did not have to see any other resources. Like he was really a great mentor in Cryo.